Mr. Munsey.
Hello, Miss Evans. How are you doing? I'm doing good.
You really enjoying that certificate you got for the fancy Thai restaurant?
It was delicious, except for the ugly, ugly cloth that they have on
What?
it.
You
It's
didn't
disgusting.
like that
No,
cloth?
I hate it.
Well,
It's
I liked
ugly.
it. I'll just take it.
Wow.
Yeah, what just happened here?
I have no idea. Magic. I wish I could do that.
Well, what I did was I just applied Newton's first law of motion.
Okay. What's that?
That says that objects that are at rest, as your plate was, are going to stay at rest unless an outside force acts upon them.
Okay, so when you pulled that, was that an outside force acting upon us?
No, actually, because if it was, then the plate would be broken on the floor right now.
Okay.
And the only thing is that I'm not really good at this trick.
Okay.
But the idea is that I pulled that tablecloth out from underneath all the place setting, and it essentially just fell back down onto the table where it was in the first place.
So since no force was actually applied to the plate or any of this,
It just dropped onto the table.
It stayed at rest and dropped. Oh, okay.
Because the tablecloth had it a little bit on top of the table, a little bit above the table.
Okay.
So when I jerked the tablecloth out from under it, it had to come down.
That
And
makes
so
sense.
that's kind of the disarray that we heard.
Got it. Okay.
Newton's first law of motion, inertia.
An object at rest stays at rest.
An object in motion
Stays in
moving.
motion.
We didn't do that second part though, did we?
No.
Do you have a ball?
I don't think so.
Oh dear.
I don't know. I have a kickball.
Let's use it.
Okay.
We can use the kickball to get an object moving. All right. This is pretty simple. I'm
Okay.
going to pretend to kick it.
All right.
And Newton's first law, inertia, says that once it's moving, unless a force acts on it, it's going to go on moving forever.
Ever.
And it did.
Still going.
Thank you.
very
This is
cool.
Ms. Evans
And Mr. Munsey.
with Newton's first law of motion, which is inertia.
Excellent.